Asum kwenye shinyazero. Muzo moze kede mona asum kwenye shinyazero. Abo nwanno no ke be kwedike. Ihe nchọrọ ikwu na ihe gbasara do Odumeje. Which agwa menyi nwoke mbọ m sị na otu Odumeje na-ekwu ihe gbasara Nnamdi Kanu. Na ha ga-esend kwa ndị autopilot bịa. I said it. Na ha ga-eje ebe ahụ. Enwere something nchọrọ ime ka ndị baya mara today. Ka mmepe ndị baya anya. Ifụrụ ndị BLA, Gentle Yahoo, and Makeup, Botozo, and OIE Million. They are working with Chukwuka Ebu Ijele. If Ijele is working with Simon Eba, Asari Dokubo, Ebu Bago, and the Tiger Base, Nigerian soldier and Nigerian DSS, all of them are working together. They know what they are doing. Even Jekwe have that now, as Eba Gonsu Danya, or that don't meet you. You understand? Ozama Habogan, never one another. If Lunda mentioned their name, Hancharin and Allah together. So you should not be deceived. Nobody should deceive you. Ijele is working with Simon Eba and his criminal gang. He is working with the aside about Tiger Base, DSS, and soldiers. And then, eventually, make and buy mara. If lo, or to hana to buy through autopilot liberation terrorists, as in a Haneba, he have calculated well plan. Even about Odumeje, I told one of my friends and their brother, Bobo, I can make the voice note, but I try to go like in the mother, no, because I'm here. I want Yasia, Oni, Nagente, oh, ni Gente now, now watch ya. Otu Odumeje na fighting for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, now fighting APC government, and he don't want to join APC. Nandi APC just send in the autopilot liberation terrorists, who only BLA and BDF, Kahajabri BA, CZB when they operate. I said, no, yeah, not possible. Instead, no, we are into the system now to know what they are doing. Instead, I gave me. So, along behind our change, on a woman to try to that. I have a announcement in the way I say, Monica Isana, and we captured them. So the very day had a corner, Haneje, Ijele that one, Yan also, Miano Ebanolo, I laugh. Boy, see you in yours, and see for that. Nigeria Patago, no, you go have signal, so that Hasina, their criminal camp for Gasasia, Nahabatago. After a government in Ego, you had a mending model, the more you look, the less you see. The buy on this artist, after Mimeko Malao, they are not fighting these boys. He had these boys, anybody that is not supporting APC, they will use these boys to terrorize them, to bring that person down. Or in the APC name, they are the one that is sponsoring Simon Eba and autopilot liberation terrorists. He had now gone OPO. After all, Gentle Yahoo Korea. Now the insecurity in Ghana Southeast, then when they benefit from it. And Jamaica Korea, now the insecurity in Hana Coast in Southeast, then when they benefit from it. Although Kegorina and Bunyan Han with their own percentage, Han receive their own, if all the government to go now 50 million to them, to those people. Then Jamaica and a Gentle Yahoo and they have 30% of it. Government equal 1 billion to this movement, and then 300 million. You now go to Wiheleme. Can they benefit from this security? So when they benefit from it, agreement, agreement rich. When I need them agreement, now this is security in a group here. Who did about those maybe that video in one to Mahania. Now those boys need you, then you have signal on how to live it all, how you want to shift to. Then don't influence them. Wunda my hanalo. Umoko kama hanalo. Uno if had the Umoko kama hanalo. And they can make a higher. Don't have so many of them arrest send that to Tiger Base. Tiger Base release free of charge. Not pilot. In Wazan at their camp. How the group of them attack. If you see from different locations, Monday DSS, not more different securities can even attack. How come Eji will make a hammer before Eji attack? What's Eji about may attack bruise some of them? Maybe what this security on those areas to against you and that one. Or on this in Damio. Today, you attack and never attack young. Why is them attack? Here now, one win in Agabica. So, Kyofunaka government in the southeast. The same APC government in the through the Fulani bandit of Fulani terrorists, neutralize the entire Nigeria. Or how one recruit in this time on ever. Will look aside of back here up. Will look go back here up. Will look Tiger Base back here up. Will look Ude back here up.